How are you?
Uh, all good.
Okay, good, good. So, we have this assignment for basic communication skills.
Okay.
It is a subject in the second year computer engineering,
Hmm.
and our teacher said that we have to have 10 assignments. So, one of those assignments is this interview with any professional.
Okay, but
Okay, now I'm supposed to ask you 15 questions, and I have to write down what I asked you, what the questions are, and that I will write down later, and I have to write down your answers also. This is so that everybody benefits from, like, we are all students, no? So we don't know what the future holds. We don't know
yeah,
whether we are career ready, we don't know what skills we need. So we want to interview the professional so that uh, we know.
yeah. But Venus,
Yes.
मेरा तो बस 1 साल 2-3 महीने का एक्सपीरियंस हैगा यार.
No problem, no problem, no problem.
Like,
You are a graduate in computer engineering.
yeah, correct.
Okay, and you have done BTech or BE.
It's BE.
Okay, and you have done from where?
It's from Satyabama University, Chennai.
Oh, okay, okay, yeah. Satyabhama University. But actually, you're from Mumbai, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're currently located in Delhi.
Uh, you met say Gurugram.
Gurugram, correct. Okay, near Delhi, yeah, suburb of Delhi, like, yeah, like Virar and Mumbai proper.
Yeah.
Okay. So, may I know, like, what is your job title?
So technically, I'm a software engineer, but
Yes.
in a bank, because I work in a bank,
Okay.
we call us as an analyst.
Okay. So, you're a data analyst or just analyst?
It's an analyst. Software engineer are also known as analysts in a bank. So it's
Okay.
basically a software engineer.
Okay, very good. So, it is a national bank or it is a multinational bank?
Um, it's a MNC. Yeah, correct.
Okay, it's
It's a
an
MNC.
MNC. Okay, great. So, you have a very good job. So, can I know, like, approximately what is your CTC? Approximately, or anybody, you don't have to tell
Okay.
me yours, you can just tell me the range, like, like other colleagues in other banks who are analysts, like, generally how much does an analyst get, like, in a bank after 1 year's experience?
So basically, there are bands in our organization. So it starts from B5 as a software engineer. Okay.
Yeah.
So they earn around like 5-6 lakh,
Okay.
and it keeps on getting increasing as per as like experience. But
5 6 lakhs per annum.
yeah, per annum.
That
Uh,
that will come up to about how much, 40,000
no idea about it because
per month,
I'm
per
not from
month.
B5. I started from B6. Okay.
No, per month it will 5 6 lakhs. No, I'm asking you basic maths.
Around 45, 48. Yeah, 45, 48.
40,000 would be 4 lakhs, and then 5 lakhs would be another 80,000. Yeah, about 45. Correct, correct. So that okay, but you started at a higher level.
Yeah, I started at a B6.
Okay.
So B6 has a salary range around from like it's totally depends.
Yeah.
It's from 8 to 18.
Wow. So you're a successful person, yeah? Okay, so
No,
I want to
no,
know,
I can't say that.
after graduation, how many years it took you to land this job?
Uh, 0 months.
Wow. So I want to ask you, see, we at St. John's, everybody is thinking that, we may not get good jobs and all. So I want to ask you, like, what skills during our BE, what skills
Uh,
should we acquire so that, of course, you need luck. You need luck to get the job. That is one
correct.
thing. But other than that, what skills do we need? Like, we are in the second year, so it will take us another 3 4 years.
See, so if I tell you my story,
Okay.
then I actually got a call like
Yeah.
when I was in final year of the college.
Okay.
I applied for almost all the companies. Okay.
Okay.
So until this company, okay, I applied
Yeah.
for almost all the company, but I was not able to get any exams link or anything.
Correct.
So the first thing I noticed that there was my resume format was not correct. So
Okay.
everyone should focus on resume first.
All
Okay.
right.
Then I corrected my resume. Had some advice with my friends who are currently working, and they suggested me some correction and all that.
Okay. Yeah.
So I formatted my resume, and
Okay.
within like 15 to 20 days, I got a link from my first company, Presidio. Okay,
Wow.
I worked there too for 3 months.
Okay. What is
Uh,
Presidio? Is it a bank?
no, it's a IT cloud IT service company,
Uh-huh.
US based.
Okay, cloud IT service company, US based. But
Yeah.
I want to ask you, sir, is it a outsourced job like BPO, or is it like a BPO, business process outsourcing? Like, are they out? Is this company outsourcing its work to you?
I don't know about Presidio because I worked there for 3 months and I
Yeah,
didn't do much in that.
yeah,
But for bank, yeah, because they like, how should I tell you?
yeah. I know. Like
Bank,
Citibank and all, Citibank in the US, they outsource their work to India because it's cheaper here.
yeah, correct. In a
Yeah,
same way,
yeah,
they established a company in
yeah,
India,
yeah.
okay, which is known as NetWest Digital Private India Limited, which gives service to RBS.
What is it called?
Okay,
Network?
NetWest.
NETWEST.
Just give me a minute. I'm getting a call.
Okay, okay, sure, sure.
Yeah, Venus, I'm back.
Yeah, yeah, very good. So it is called NETWEST.
NAT, NatWest.
Nat, yeah, I've heard of NatWest. It's like something to do with airlines also, no?
No, no, no.
No,
It's
okay,
a UK bank. So
okay,
you have must heard because it was an official sponsor of Olympics this
okay.
year,
Oh,
and it
okay,
was also official partnership or sponsor of UK cricket team.
okay. So NatWest is a bank actually.
NatWest is a bank, yeah.
Wow. And they're outsourcing, they're analyzing. What do you analyze?
So basically, I work on transaction data.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah,
So it's basically I do reporting. In bank, there's a concept like you have to report everything to the government, right?
correct.
So I basically work on these type of data.
Okay, that's very good, yeah. Okay, so what are the skills that you had that help you to get this job?
So cracking NatWest was quite simple.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah,
but not the previous company.
yeah,
So I think I should more tell you about my previous company interview experience rather than NatWest because
yeah.
NatWest was just the mathematical questions. You should be
Okay,
good in mathematics and you should be good in logical thinking. Then you are good to get hired in NatWest.
okay, mathematics and logical thinking.
Yeah,
So
it's all about the algorithm.
algorithm. So are there any books or something that we can prepare for these exams?
Um, be good at mathematics and forming logic. So solve questions more available on GFG or Leet Code. It will be much more helpful than
What is
reading books.
GFG?
Gigs for gigs questions.
What is that?
Gigs for gigs.
Gigs for, yeah, I've heard of gigs for gigs.
Yeah,
That you get all important, like in a nutshell, you get the answers, like interesting facts and all. Gigs for
yeah,
gigs.
but Leet Code is much more better than GFG.
What
So
code? What code you said?
Leet Code where you can practice questions.
LEAP, leap code.
No, Leet, Leet, Leet.
LEET.
Yeah,
What does it mean? Leet means what?
no idea.
Okay. In on leet code, you can practice questions.
Yeah,
Okay. You can
let's
practice.
start with easy one. Okay.
Yeah. So
Then
you have to look for questions on maths and logic.
no, you have to look questions for algorithm.
Okay. You have to look for questions on algorithm. Okay. So algorithm is all that you need to know.
No, I won't say that.
Yeah.
But for NetWest, yeah, algorithm is all you need to do. But
Okay.
for other company,
Yeah.
for a good companies, let's say
Yeah.
Amazon, because I gave interview of Amazon too. Okay,
Yeah.
so they all focused on algorithm.
Okay.
Every higher paying job focused on
Correct.
algorithm.
And I want to ask you, in which year in engineering do we learn algorithm?
I learned it in first year itself.
Oh my god. I have missed first year, no? So I have to do first year maths.
Mathematics is much more important because it's considered of matrix, eigenvectors, eigenvalues, and all that.
Yeah.
But not much more importance until and unless you are going into research.
Right. But first year maths I have to do.
If you want to go into research, do a master degree, then of
No,
course.
just to crack this exam.
No need.
Then how do you do it without answering, without learning maths?
See, mathematics is different.
Yeah.
Forming algorithm is different. So
Okay.
it's totally different.
Okay. So I don't have to really do first year's maths.
No, you can just start algorithms. That's it.
Okay. And that I will find on Leet Code.
You can find it anywhere, but start with some basics algorithm which you have been taught in colleges. Okay.
Okay.
बहुत छोटा छोटा एग्जांपल जैसे कि पैलिंड्रोम निकालना, फिबोनाची सीरीज एंड ऑल दैट.
What is that? पहले क्या निकालना?
Palindrome.
Palindrome. हाँ.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Fibonacci series. These are some
After
basic
palindrome,
questions.
what you said, sir?
Fibonacci series.
Fibonacci series. Yes.
Then you have GCD.
GCD is what?
It's HCF, highest common factor.
Yeah.
Is GCD, greatest common factor. Greatest common factor.
GCD, greatest common
Just call it
denominator.
divisor.
Denominator?
I don't remember. Yeah. GCD. We call it as GCD. So.
Yeah, we had in third standard or something, we had a high HCF and LCM.
Yeah. Correct. That only.
Okay, got it, sir. Greatest common denominator, no?
No, I just said an example.
You're just giving me an example. So all this, everything is there on this Leet Code.
Yeah, you can just go and search about the topics. You will get this type of questions.
Search for what should we search for on Leet Code?
Search for. You can search for any type of questions you want to do in bitwise. Then you can search for bitwise. You can want to do in algorithm. There are many algorithms. So you want to do it in a list. You can do for list, strings, manipulation. There are many categories of it. You can go and explore there.
But anything of this is taught in college?
Basics are taught are been taught in college.
In first year they teach algorithm and all?
Yeah, in first year itself.
Okay.
From second year it's just a core subjects.
So how do we know, are there any sample questions of this NatWest and other banks and what is that Presidio and all? Are the sample question papers available on the net?
There are no such called as sample questions because they all pick from Leet Code itself. So all the questions in Leet Code are the sample questions.
Wow. So in Leet Code we have to go and ask for questions that come for the job exams, job entrance exams.
Yeah, I can share my screen and show you.
Yeah.
Leet Code.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me share. Screen visible?
Let me see.
Is it visible?
Yeah, study plan, array, string, hash. Leet Code's interview crash course. Leet Code's interview crash course, top interview questions.
Yeah, you can see there are this type of questions are there. So you can basically go and select here tags as if you want to solve strings, then you can select strings. Then you can go on any questions and solve it.
So you're good at maths? Are you good at maths?
I used to be. Not now.
So you really need to know this very well, yeah, to get the job. But after you get the job, what skills, will they teach you what to do?
So honestly, doing job is just a boring task because एक ही काम बार बार repeat करना होगा.
Correct.
So.
And how many hours you have to work?
It's totally depend because my company is a work-life balanced company.
Your company is what, sir?
Work-life balance because you get a
work-life balance, yeah.
Yeah, so you don't have to work much here.
Oh.
Okay. It's just if you want to do, you can do. So currently I'm doing 3 projects here. Although I'm not forced to do 3 projects, but project is my.
But you get paid. You get paid for that, yeah?
No, of course no. Yeah, हम अपने इच्छा से करते हैं.
हाँ.
आ रही है.
अच्छा मतलब payment fixed है. Payment 8 to 18 fixed है.
Yeah, payment is fixed.
But you can do as much work as you want.
Yeah.
Then everybody will go for the least amount of work, ना?
हाँ, but least amount of work इतना बेकार, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
हाँ.
इतना बेकार है कि I don't feel enough. I feel like what I'm doing with my life. This
right.
is not what I was.
Right. But the company credits you with what you do. It acknowledges what you have done.
Yeah, they always acknowledge and they help you. Okay, they help you getting the resource and everything.
Yeah, this is very nice. So go for a UK
basically,
company only, I think.
yeah, UK company is most probably good in work-life
So
balance.
I'm going to contact you, Onia, when I finish.
Sure, sure.
And I will,
But
of course, compensate you.
but
Yeah.
I will. I must say कि don't join bank in your initial career.
Why?
It's not worth it.
But you may not get any other job, na? Acha, sir, but do you have to relocate to this Noida and Gurugram and all, or can we stay where we are?
No, you have to relocate. So
Oh,
currently I'm in Gurugram, but
yeah.
I often go to my home. So
But so can you work from home like Mira Road and all?
yeah, I do work from home. 1 month here, 1 month here. So so your manager is good, then everything is good for you.
Right. So, but for women, it's not good, na? Delhi is not good for women.
Uh, I don't know,
The
yaar.
manager may be very sidey to you, no? Matlab, to you he is good, but for women it may not be good.
No. He's good. He's good.
You don't have
He-
women managers. You don't have women managers.
so my direct manager is Neha. Okay.
Wow.
So she's. But I don't like for every reporting and everything. I go to her manager.
Okay.
So I don't basically report directly to her, but
Okay.
I report to her manager.
Okay. Anyway, let's see how it goes now. I would ideally like where there are more women, because and not Delhi and Bombay, hopefully, because Delhi is very scary for women. Really, I'm telling you.
Actually, Delhi में कुछ खास नहीं है नहीं. Like
Okay.
if you like most of the people in Delhi are coming from villages side. Okay.
Okay.
So at the same time they are getting freedom here
Yeah.
because they are not used to the freedom. They are not used to the city life.
Yeah.
They are not used
Correct.
to everything.
Correct. Yeah.
So they start doing all the activity was they start copying others. Okay. So that's the
Yeah,
worst
they
part.
get like in when you're singing, sometimes you sing with a falsetto voice. Similarly, they acquire a false personality, which is not
Yeah.
their true nature.
Yeah, correct. And
Yeah.
in that type of scenario only, they are been bullied. They are been like they are not up to that mark. Okay,
Yeah.
if someone is not capable of doing something, but
Correct.
they just want to do it just because they saw some other doing that.
Yeah, but sir, you're
Not
talking about the people from the villages who come and then who take out their frustration or whatever. But
yeah,
I'm talking of the well-educated, the Delhi guys. The well-educated people, the people who earn well, who are very well-educated. They also harass women at the workplace, but in a very subtle way that you can't see. You're a gentleman, okay? You're a gentleman because you're from Mumbai. So
so Venus,
what's your
actually,
full
it's not
name?
only happening.
Himanshu what? What's your full name?
Himanshu Singh.
Yeah, so you're different. Like Mumbai people are much better. So
Yeah, see, I can't say that because
yeah,
it's not happening only in Delhi,
yeah.
but it's happening all over
You're right. You're
the.
right. You're right. See, you're right. But what I'm saying in Delhi is like North India is like everybody's scared. Women are
अच्छा
scared.
मैं एक चीज बताता हूँ मेरे
हाँ,
कंपनी में इफ यू कंप्लेन ठीक है
हाँ,
अबाउट एनीवन
yeah.
इतना सीरियस लेते हैं लोग
Oh, very good. Yeah.
इतना सीरियस लेते हैं कि आई रिसेंटली लाइक
हाँ,
किसी ने कंप्लेन बस इतना कर दिया रिव्यू
हाँ,
सिस्टम में
हाँ.
कि आई वांट टू लीव द कंपनी
अच्छा, ऐसा
बस
है.
इतना किया ठीक है एक जन ने और किसी को
हाँ.
नहीं पता उसने किसने किया
हिमांशु मुझे नेटवेस्ट ज्वाइन करना है 3 साल के बाद.
नहीं फर्स्ट गेट एक्सपीरियंस फ्रॉम अदर कंपनी देन कम
Like which company? Which company?
एनी कंपनी एनी आईटी फर्म बट नॉट बैंक
अच्छा, which IT firm you? अब वहाँ पे जॉब मिलेगा क्या IT firm में?
क्यों नहीं मिलेगा यार बहुत सारा जॉब है
Very good, very good. You're very positive, yeah. In our college, like people think that they may not get jobs. So, Hari, you know what? I know one Mr. Pappu Yadav, very sweet guy, and another person is Shiva Moria. Okay, they help me. Now they think they will not get jobs. So can I give them your contact or something so that they can talk to you when you're free? When you're free.
अरे देखो विनेश मैं
हाँ
बताता हूँ
हाँ हाँ बोलो.
चार साल के इंजीनियरिंग में
हाँ
फर्स्ट ईयर जब मैं आया था इंजीनियरिंग
हाँ
कॉलेज में
हाँ
सो आई यूज्ड टू टॉक विद सीनियर्स कि क्या चल रहा है कॉलेज में कैसा है
correct.
तो आई केम टू द वर्स्ट कॉलेज
But actually also a good college, ना?
नहीं
हाँ
ठीक प्लेसमेंट के मामले में ठीक है
हाँ
बट नॉट इन
playlist.
एजुकेशन एंड
अच्छा
एवरीथिंग
अच्छा हाँ हाँ
तो I just contact like in the first year itself I get in contact with the seniors because I
yes
used to share my room with the senior
okay
in the hostel.
yes
तो उसने मुझे बताया कि भाई तेरे को क्या पसंद है क्या नहीं पसंद है सो आई एम
हाँ
नेवर इनटू डेवलपमेंट ओके
correct
मुझे कोई डेवलपमेंट के लिए बोल दे मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा
हाँ
बट
हाँ
अगर कोई मुझे बोल दे कि भाई डू सम रिसर्च एंड मेक समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट
yes
देन the currently I just saw you know I'm working on that so
yeah
currently I'm working on Gen AI LLM models. Okay.
Generative AI.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Currently,
That
I'm
is
working.
that is Microsoft, or that is the other one, Google?
No, I'm using open source.
Okay, okay, got it.
तो I'm currently working with that.
Yeah.
तो उन्होंने मुझे सजेस्ट किया है why don't you get into MLs, machine
Machine
learning
learning.
है
Yeah.
या
Yeah.
तो मैं बस ऐसे ही स्क्रॉल किया, हाँ इसमें जाता हूँ, देन आई स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग प्रोजेक्ट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट डे इटसेल्फ.
हाँ.
तो मुझे लगा कि यार मुझे भी जॉब नहीं मिलेगा बिकॉज मुझे एल्गोरिदम कुछ आता ही नहीं था.
Right.
मुझे बस एमएल आता है, तो एमएल
Right.
भी उतना तगड़ा नहीं आता, मुझे ऐसा जॉब
So
नहीं
how long
मिलेगा.
it will take for you to for a person to learn algorithm?
यार सी
हाँ.
आई नो पीपल जो कि लाइक ब्रेन गिफ्टेड होते हैं, ठीक है,
हाँ, correct.
वो उन लोग आराम से कर लेते हैं. दे आर
हाँ.
पीपल हु आर लाइक वेरी गुड इन मेकिंग एल्गोरिदम.
Yeah.
उनको बस बोलो कि वो बता देते हैं कि ऐसे बनेगा.
Right.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
लेकिन बहुत लोगों को स्ट्रगल करना होता है
Correct.
कि कैसे हो रहा है, और सीखने के बाद भी कभी कभी नहीं होता है.
हाँ, correct.
तो
So the whole mantra is not to learn Python, but it is to learn algorithm.
या
Got it. Everybody is busy learning Python.
देखो यार पाइथन एक लैंग्वेज है.
Exactly. That's exactly what these two people were telling me, Mr. Maurya and Mr. Yadav. They are third year or fourth year students. So I'm asking you, Mr. Himanshu, can I give them your number? Like when you're free time, like can you contact them or something? Is it possible? If not, then I don't want to.
यार मैं बहुत बिजी चल रहा हूँ
Then forget it.
But anytime if you want some guidance, then of course they can contact through you.
How sweet of you. But what I'm saying now, is that these two are like, they're very intelligent and they're very hardworking and very helpful, but they feel that they will not get any job, and I feel they're going in the wrong direction also.
यार
मतलब वो लोग
देखो,
desperate हो रहे हैं, you know.
जब like we started in our college, the placement started from the third year itself, seventh semester.
I see.
No,
No,
sixth
we don't
semester.
have much placements. They are saying that there will be placement. देखा जाएगा. अभी तक तो placements नहीं था. There people are saying, but अभी autonomous हो गया तो placement शायद होगा.
नहीं, बट आई एम सेइंग कि जब पहली कंपनी थी मेरी, मैंने अप्लाई किया था JP Morgan, आई रिमेंबर.
JP Morgan, yeah, that is a finance company, no?
दैट्स अ बैंक.
Yeah,
It's a
bank.
bank.
Okay.
तो मैं अप्लाई किया था एंड आई डिडंट टुक इट सीरियसली.
Yeah.
अब मैं कुछ भी एग्जाम दे दिया, मैं नींद में था, ठीक है, रात के 2 बजे बैठ के इंटरव्यू दे रहा हूँ.
Wow.
तो मेरा अच्छा नहीं गया, तो आई वेंट होम.
Okay.
तो घर पे गया तो मेरी दूसरी कंपनी का एग्जाम लिंक आया जो कि नोकिया था. ओके. तो उस टाइम मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि यार मैंने JP Morgan तो आई जस्ट मेस्ड इट अप. आई कांट मिस द नोकिया, राइट? तो मुझे लगा कि यार नोकिया को सीरियस लेता हूँ. आई गेव एग्जाम, बट एग्जाम क्लियर भी हो गया, बट मेरा रेज्यूमे ऐसा सेट, रेज्यूमे रॉन्ग से आगे बढ़ता नहीं.
Right. Yeah.
तो मेरे दोस्तों का हो गया नोकिया, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरा क्या होगा, मेरा लगेगा ही नहीं जॉब.
Correct.
तो बहुत सारी कंपनी में अप्लाई किया, एक भी कंपनी नहीं हुआ 2 महीना.
Right.
एंड आई विश टू थिंक लाइक मेरा नहीं होगा कुछ.
Correct.
और मैं छोटी कंपनी में अप्लाई करने लग गया, TCS ये सब. तो उधर भी कुछ नहीं हुआ.
TCS is छोटा company.
पैकेज वाइज.
Correct. But they say that if you join TCS, like I have seen when I was staying in a ladies' hostel, working women's hostel in opposite Amitabh Bachchan's bungalow in Juhu, long back, in 95, 96. So they were saying, like I used to see this TCS employees in the, like you see them in the evening, and in the next morning they are catching a flight to the US. Matlab they get a deputation, like they get transferred to the US, TCS.
Basically they are service based company. Okay, तो सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी में होता है क्या, यू सर्व सर्विस टू द अदर कंपनी व्हिच आर योर क्लाइंट्स. तो मेरा जो कंपनी है ना, वो भी सर्विस लेता है TCS, Accenture, PwC ये सब से. तो इन माय टीम दे आर 2 to 3 फ्रॉम अदर कंपनी टू वर्किंग विथ मी.
यस.
तो उनका ऑफ कोर्स उनका ये रहता है कि अगर उनको यूके जाना है तो उनको यूके भेजते हैं, ऐसा भेजते हैं.
अच्छा.
तो
व्हेन आर यू गोइंग टू द UK एंड जर्मनी एंड ऑल?
आई एम नॉट प्लानिंग.
व्हाई?
मतलब आई फील लाइक आई वांट टू बी क्लोज टू माय फैमिली. ठीक है, अगर कुछ होता है तो मैं तुरंत मैं जा सकता हूँ, राइट?
हाउ स्वीट यू आर यार. हाउ ओल्ड आर यू?
यार कितने साल का हूँ मैं?
यू आर जस्ट 24 में. But now if you don't go even for 1 year, then when you will go? Acha, after marriage and all?
No, I'm not going to.
No, but you need some experience na going abroad. Like 1 year and all is okay na?
क्या आ जाऊँगा? उसमें क्या है?
हाँ, correct.
Currently I have an offer from US.
Wow, from another company or same company? Another company.
And another company.
And good pay package and all.
Not good, but
Huh.
okay.
Like
In
you
average.
need minimum $2,000 a month to survive there.
Yeah, it's more than 2000, of course.
I mean, it is comfortably more than 2,000, like 4,000 at least.
Yeah, it's
Huh.
around 4000. Yeah.
For 4,000 is okay. Like you'll be like okay. Like when I got my first job in the UAE in 1997, I was getting $5,000, 5,000 dirhams, which is
Okay.
about 5,300 dirhams, which is about 60,000 rupees. But it would cost that much to survive there at that time.
No, actually got an offer because the company
हाँ.
CEO is an Indian, okay,
वाह.
and वो company में मेरा दोस्त है.
और कौन सा कैलिफोर्निया साइड है कि न्यूयॉर्क साइड है?
ये न्यूयॉर्क साइड है.
तो अच्छा है यार. और एक साल के
Like,
बाद छोड़ के जा सकते हैं क्या?
प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि ये बहुत स्टार्टअप है एंड ही वांट
हाँ.
मी टू इन्वेस्ट इन लाइक एवरीथिंग्स एंड
हाँ,
एवरीथिंग.
मतलब 24 आवर्स जॉब होगा.
हाँ, पर मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बस प्रॉब्लम
हाँ.
ये है कि यार
हाँ.
मैं यूएस जाऊँ, यूएस से मेरे को इंडिया आने में 24 घंटे लगेंगे ऑलमोस्ट.
हाँ. लेकिन
It's-
आपके मम्मी डैडी यंग होंगे ना?
नहीं यार, दे आर इनटू अराउंड 50.
You know how old I am, no?
No.
52.
Really?
God promise.
Are you 52?
God promise. My parents are around 80 years old.
सही में?
सही
I can't
में?
believe यार. I can't believe.
See, I'm a dentist. I told you, na, I'm a dentist.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
हाँ. So what I'm saying
Then-
na, 50 years, my dear Himanshu, it's not a lot. You have to go at least for 1 year. See, after 1 year, if he needs a replacement, na, you will get 1,000 people here to replace you to go to the US.
No, but see, work-life balance in my current company is good,
Yeah.
and I'm also earning good. Okay,
Yes.
not best, not
Means
all the way better, but
you're getting 16 or 15 or 14 or something.
I'm getting around 16.
Wow, 16 is very good, yeah.
So और ये कंपनी में ये कि यार आई एम फ्री लाइक
Yeah.
देखो मैं
लेकिन वापस आके आपको ये जॉब नहीं मिलेगा.
मिल तो जाएगा बट एक्चुअली मैं बहुत कांड किया हूँ ये कंपनी में.
मतलब
मेरा जो रेपुटेशन है ये कंपनी में,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
okay,
हाँ हाँ.
मैं अच्छा नहीं रखा हूँ.
अच्छा नहीं है रेपुटेशन.
अच्छा नहीं रखा हूँ मैं अपना.
क्यों?
बिकॉज लाइक सबको पता है कि मैं बहुत अच्छा काम करता हूँ ये सब.
हाँ,
okay,
हाँ.
बट सबको ये लगता है कि आई एम वेरी एरोगेंट.
अच्छा, that's because you're intelligent.
अरे नहीं यार, ऐसा नहीं.
You're intelligent, that's why.
सबको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बहुत एरोगेंट हूँ. तो किसी ने मेरे मैनेजर को कंप्लेन कर दिया था, भाई तुम
Oh.
काम तो ठीक करते हो पर एरोगेंट वाला कंप्लेन आ रहा है
But
तुम्हारा.
I don't feel like that when I talk to you.
यार, तो
You
मैंने
seem
भी
like a
उसको यही
gentleman.
बोला.
You seem like a gentleman to me. You're there? I can't hear you. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. Trying to connect. अच्छा. You lost your connection. अच्छा मेरा connection गया. ठीक है. I'll put it. Now can you hear me? I got the connection back. Or should I I can do one thing. I can leave and I can connect again.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, now I joined. Okay, so what I'm saying now, Himanshu, what I'm saying is now 1 year is over. So are you applying to other companies also? Are you applying?
Yeah, I'm looking for a job in Mumbai,
Oh, very good, yeah.
but ये इशू है कि मुंबई में थोड़ा टफ हो जाता है.
हाँ,
job
टफ हो
लेना.
जाता है और इतना पैसा नहीं मिलेगा आपको.
मिल तो जाएगा,
हाँ.
उसमें कोई इशू नहीं, क्योंकि because my friends are working there and they are getting paid too.
Wow.
तो अभी तो फिलहाल फुल फ्लेज में अप्लाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर अ राइट टाइम बिकॉज अभी
Correct.
मार्केट बहुत खराब चल रहा है थोड़ा
But
बहुत.
I feel, no, Himanshu, 1 year at least you should go and see the US and
नहीं यार,
because
see,
this is your time to go. 24 years is the year when you're very like nice and energetic. I went around your age, 25, 26. I went to Europe and all that. हाँ, तो वो टाइम है ना जब हम लोग यंग है ना, तब वी एंजॉय
मैं यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा एंजॉय करता हूँ.
अच्छा,
Like I
ऐसा
go on
नहीं, ऐसा
hiking, I
नहीं,
go on
मतलब टोटली
trekking.
डिफरेंट है ना वहाँ पे. मतलब डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस आई एम सेइंग, यू नो. आई एम नॉट सेइंग, मतलब 1 year इज व्हाट, यार, इट्स नथिंग.
But like I don't know कि
हाँ
I never
हाँ,
thought of. ठीक है.
करेक्ट.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मेरे पास इधर टाइम है, so
हाँ, और आपका
मैं
रेज्यूमे पे भी वो बहुत अच्छा ये हो जाएगा ना. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग.
बट एक और इशू है. मैं वो
हाँ
जॉब इसलिए ले रहा हूँ क्योंकि
हाँ,
माय वीजा विल बी लिंक्ड विद द जॉब.
करेक्ट.
ठीक है. अगर
या
जॉब गया, मैं वीजा गया.
राइट. सो
तो
जॉब गया मतलब 1 year दे विल नॉट लीव यू, लेट यू बी देयर फॉर 1 year.
या ऑफ कोर्स 1 ईयर तो मिनिमम रहेंगे
हाँ
ही.
हाँ हाँ.
बट होता क्या है ना कि स्टार्टअप आर जनरली ओवर हाइप्ड इन यूएस. ठीक है. वहाँ
करेक्ट.
पे सब लोग स्टार्टअप कर रहे हैं एंड
हाँ,
हजार में से बहुत बहुत स्टार्टअप नीचे हो जाता है.
correct,
लाइक
correct. So you need a nice company like Google or
या
Microsoft or something.
गूगल माइक्रोसॉफ्ट तो औकात के बाहर है.
अच्छा,
बट
ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हैं?
नहीं, वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे. मैं बोला ना, सम पीपल आर ब्रेन गिफ्टेड जो एल्गोरिदम बनाते हैं.
Okay,
तो उनके लिए गूगल ये सब है.
correct, correct. A brain
सो आई नो
gifted, but
पीपल हु इज
you're not,
वर्किंग इन
but you
Amazon.
may also be. How you know?
क्योंकि मैं अपने आप को देखा था यार. बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज इन 11th क्लास.
Yeah,
ओके.
हाँ.
सो हाँ, मुझसे इंटीग्रेशन सॉल्व नहीं हो पा रहा था.
मैंने
ठीक है.
12th में मैथ्स ड्रॉप किया. But you know what? Actually, for computer engineering, no, you don't need maths actually.
Actually, you need mathematics.
You need only logic. You don't need maths.
You need mathematics. You need calculus.
अच्छा
Everything is built
अच्छा
around
अच्छा,
calculus.
ठीक है ठीक है.